Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? What's their secret? Today, we're diving into the art of successful goal setting. We're revealing 6 tips that can turn your dreams into reality. Stay with us till the end to uncover the secret to effective goal setting. Tip number 1, be specific. The more specific your goals, the clearer the path to achieving them. Instead of saying, I want to read more, try, I want to read 1 book per month. This brings us to tip number 2, set measurable goals. Measurable goals act as your roadmap, showing you how far you've come and how far you need to go. It's like marking off milestones on your journey to success. Remember, a goal without a measure is just a wish. Moving on to tip number 3, set achievable goals. Goals should stretch you, but they should also be reachable. When you set a goal that is attainable, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed to achieving it. Now for tip number 4, be relevant. Your goals should not only be achievable, but also relevant to your long-term plans and objectives. Setting relevant goals helps you stay focused and prevents you from straying off your path. Remember, your goals should always be in alignment with your life's vision. Our 5th tip is to set time-bound goals. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and prompt action. Ever noticed how tasks without a specific timeline often get pushed to the back burner? That's why it's essential to set timelines for your goals to keep you on track. Now our final tip, write your goals down. It's simple yet powerful. Writing crystallizes thought and provides you with a reference for future reflection. Writing your goals down not only gives them tangibility, but it also holds you accountable. So, there you have it, 6 essential tips for successful goal setting. To recap, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals, and remember to keep them flexible. Remember, the secret to achieving your goals is not just about setting them, but setting them right. Start implementing these tips today and watch your success rate soar.